Hello and welcome. I had someone comment on one of my videos and say they like to hear my voice. So let's do it. Today I'm going to be working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I already saturated the back a bit. I actually have to flip that back over. And I probably should have put the tape on before I wet the back. Actually, I'm going to take these gloves off so I get a better grip. And this is a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I don't know if I said that already. The technique I'm going to be doing today is the Puddle Reverse Ring Pour. Something that I kind of created along the way by combining a couple different techniques into one. So I just jotted some things down as far as what I want to do. 4 different colors, reverse ring along the line. So I want to keep the blocks of color to have the abstract design this way and this way. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Put my gloves on and I need a towel. I always keep a microfiber towel or paper towels. I always keep something handy. Let's get started. Just then was I didn't have enough paint to where they would meet up. I don't necessarily want a straight line anyway, but I'm not going to worry about this center here because when I do the reverse ring that way and then the reverse ring this way, it's going to cover up these areas. And then this is enough paint. Now I'm going to layer my cup. stretch it, it's gonna move everything. So that's why I kind of want to get it how I want first, so then I can worry about getting it to the corners. Yeah, see, now that part I didn't think about, because when I stretch it out, it's gonna move the entire flow of the paint, not just the corners. There's paint everywhere, I paint all over my hands. And there's still quite a bit of paint on this canvas, so I can't just leave it like that. Now what I'm gonna do is risk the dimension like that. It's gonna be distorted a bit. We're gonna have to figure it out the best way we can. I do see cells starting to pop up. See, it's moving everything at one time. You see that? And you actually want it to come all the way over. You don't want any spots untouched. Now, since there's more paint to this bottom right, I'm going to go here. I actually want to get some of that purple off there, but I still want my corner of purple, so it's still working out. And since there's more paint this way, I'm gonna, yeah, there's more paint this way, right? Okay, I'm actually gonna flip this around. Flip it around. So this is actually working out. Check the other side. Leo, I don't even know if you guys can see Leo on the floor there. I need my high air gun. I'm sorry, big man. I'm sorry, big man, but you're in the way. He ran from me. You can probably smell the paint, because once it gets moving and stuff like that, you can definitely smell it. I love the cell action happening in there. Yes. Let's tilt this around. So I'm gonna get this. Let me see, where am I most heavy at? Okay, I'm most heavy on this left side, bottom left. So let's tilt all the way over. And I can actually get quite a bit of that off. See how this like running off there? And plus, deeper edge, you want to make sure that it goes all the way over. See, it didn't go. It didn't go all the way over, but it's coming down. Let's go back this way. This way. Drop it down a bit. I really like that bottom part. I really like this a lot. Running pretty fast down below, so I'm just going to tilt some more, just a bit. Stretch, 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 as much as I can, without compromising the composition. And damage it. I do want to get these corners over here. This way, so let's bring it this way. Okay, I see the ones I need to touch up. On that side. Okay. Looks great. Here is the wet result. I wanted to take you in and check out this close up. the cells. This is going to be so shimmery. There's metallic in this entire painting. There's metallic everywhere. I'm sorry about the lights. But check out that center. Look at that. That's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. And this is probably my favorite part right here. Oh, so pretty. Thanks for watching.